What's up guys, Aris here, your Bay Area Realtor. Today we are in a beautiful Berryessa, and behind me is the Trumark Home new community that we're going to tour. It's called Asend San Jose. So Berryessa is becoming one of the hottest neighborhood in Silicon Valley. Due to its location and affordability, it's close to a lot of tech companies. And this new community just grand opening recently. It's already halfway sold, so you can tell how popular this new community is. We are going to tour a Plan 3 4-bedroom, 4-bath, over 1900 square feet. So let's go inside and take a look and see if this one will be your new home. Alright guys, in front of us is the Asend community, and on the very right hand side that will be our model home Plan 3. And by the outlook of the building, you can tell there's a lot of modern touches. And the building itself has already done the elevation, so when the raining season comes, it will definitely help with the flooding situation. Also, that will help you to save on the insurance as well. And you do have a beautiful patio by the front entrance as well. And on the very far side beside this building, that is actually a trail. And the city actually owns this land, and there will be no future development beside that. Now let me take you inside for a full tour of this model home, and I'll see you back by the end of this video. Alright guys, thank you for staying till the end of this video and really hope you enjoyed the tour for this one. So this new community actually just grand opening a few weeks ago and it's already halfway sold. The total unit for this community is 32 home, is already 17 sold. So it's on the other side, it's just telling you how popular Berryessa is right now. And in the recent year, Berryessa actually becoming one of the hottest spots in Silicon Valley. Not only because of the location, but the affordability. So if you are craving for a new home with the modern living while close to all the tech companies, don't miss out for this one. And feel free to comment below and let me know what you think about this new community. And if you are interested on this one, feel free to contact me at the bottom right corner right here. As always, if you like today's video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos just like this one. That's it for today. I'll see you on the next one.